How to turn a TikTok sound into a ringtone. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open TikTok. Find the sound that you want to turn into a ringtone. And then click on the share button at the right side. Click on Save Video. And then open the app Ringtone Maker. If you don't have this app, you can download it through the Play Store. Once you download it, go ahead and open it. Click on Video to MP3. Select the video that you have just downloaded. So you can select the volume by clicking on volume. So you can increase it or decrease it. You can put in the fade in or fade out feature. And once you're ready to save, click on save at the top. So this video will be saved as an MP3 on your phone. Next, go ahead and open your phone settings. Scroll down and click on sound and vibration. Click on ringtone. And then select choose local ringtone. Select music. And then find the file that you have just converted. If you don't find it in your music, it might also be in your file. So you can just tick it and then press OK, and then it will be set as your ringtone. So this is how to turn a TikTok sound into a ringtone. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.